Time to check in with Craig and the latest on a disturbance that may ruin our weekend, right, Craig?
Well, yeah, but it's not going to ruin it in the way that sometimes tropical systems can. Just rain off and on and some gusty winds. Not by any chance a hurricane here, and probably not even a tropical storm. So here's what's going on. We're talking about our potential tropical storm. It's number 9. It will become Humberto when it does become a tropical storm. With now 30 miles an hour, drifting to the northwest. And here's the future track, because potential tropical storms, they get assigned a future track and a forecast advisory because watches have been issued as well as warnings. In terms of the Friday evening position, there it is right there. There's your Saturday morning position. And then after that, it is up along or over the Florida Peninsula north of South Florida. That's the Saturday evening, Sunday evening time frame. And then after that, it's up to the northeast. In terms of the wind speed probabilities, we talked a lot about this when we were covering Dorian. These are the tropical storm force wind speed probabilities based on this advisory, and they're running around 40% or greater farther to the north of South Florida, down here in Fort Lauderdale and Miami-Dade. Broward and Miami-Dade running in the upper 20% range. You can see the highest values up here where now tropical storm watches have been issued for parts of the Treasure Coast as well as the Space Coast. But here's this higher chance of tropical storm force winds over the Bahamas where they don't need it, and with more on the potential impacts there. Here's Dave Warren.
Yes, we're watching what's happening here in the Bahamas, but also the watches and warnings that are issued now. It's a potential tropical cyclone, but even though it hasn't formed into a depression yet, because they issued the potential tropical cyclone, they can issue the watches and warnings here. And there is a watch along the coast of Florida, tropical storm watch, expected conditions there within 48 hours, but within about 36 hours, tropical storm force conditions there expected in the Bahamas. Unfortunately, areas that are impacted have been impacted by Dorian. So the real-time Doppler shows it is pretty quiet here right now, but we will continue to look at the radar filling in and the wind speed starting to pick up. But right now it's just sustained about 15 to 20 miles an hour there out of the northeast. But when will the wind start to increase? What we're looking for is a contour to fill in here, indicating tropical storm force winds. Now, throughout the day Friday, we'll stop here at 8 o'clock. Depression is moving up to the northwest, but from 8 o'clock overnight Saturday to 3 a.m., still not there. But once we see that tropical storm conditions pop in, that's because the forecast is calling for that. Now, likely overnight Friday to early Saturday, that winds will really start to increase, and they're really gusting by Saturday morning at 8 o'clock, and then it continues to move to the northwest. In addition to those wind speeds, where the storm is tracking just to the north of that is where we expect to see the heaviest rain, and its track could shift a bit, but in addition to the wind, we will see that rain amounts from 2 to 4 inches there, and this is over the next 3 days. Now, wave heights will be increasing, and this will impact our area as well. We'll stop it right here at 5 o'clock because that's when we could start to see those waves increasing and working their way down the coast, leading to rough conditions there along the coast here. Craig?
So as far as we're concerned here in South Florida, this is pretty much what we're going to see through the weekend, these passing showers from time to time. The moisture with the disturbance is located to our southeast, but guess what? A moisture tail forms and begins to cover us for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So a good chance for showers and thunderstorms through the weekend. But I always say better to have rain than a hurricane any day, and I think that's going to be the case this weekend. So for tonight, passing showers, a warm breeze, a low temperature near 78. Tomorrow, look for a mix of sun and clouds, gusty downpours, and a high temperature near 88 degrees. Some of those storms could produce some very strong winds. In terms of boating, it's going to be kind of rough out there. Small craft advisory in effect. And taking us through the weekend, plenty of storms around. Plan your outdoor activities accordingly. Elliot?
Okay, Craig and Dave, thank you.